What makes a game truly popular? Is it the number of copies sold, the daily active players, or the cultural impact it leaves behind? Today, we are diving deep into the digital world to rank the top 10 most popular video games of all time, based on a mix of player base, sales, and enduring legacy. From blocky builders to tactical shooters, this list has it all. So grab your controller and let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 10 is PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds, or PUBG. This is the game that truly ignited the Battle Royale craze. Dropping 100 players onto an island with nothing but their wits, PUBG created a tense, heart-pounding experience that took the world by storm. With over 75 million copies sold on PC and consoles, and a mobile version that boasts over 1 billion downloads, its influence on the genre is undeniable. At number 9, we have the iconic Tetris. It's the timeless puzzle game that almost everyone has played at some point in their lives. Since its creation in 1984, Tetris has appeared on nearly every gaming platform imaginable. Its simple yet addictive block-dropping formula has resulted in over 520 million units sold worldwide, making it one of the best-selling games ever and a true pillar of gaming history. Rolling into our number 8 spot is Grand Theft Auto V. Released back in 2013, GTA V is a masterclass in open-world game design. Its sprawling, satirical take on Southern California, combined with a compelling story and the ever-evolving GTA Online, has kept players hooked for over a decade. With more than 200 million copies sold, it stands as the most profitable entertainment product of all time. Next up at number 7 is Overwatch. Blizzard's hero shooter burst onto the scene with a vibrant cast of characters and a focus on team-based strategy. It redefined the genre with its unique blend of FPS action and MOBA-like abilities. At its peak, Overwatch attracted over 50 million players, creating a massive esports scene and a dedicated community that still celebrates its colorful world and heroes. At number 6, we have a titan of the esports world, League of Legends. For over a decade, this multiplayer online battle arena, or MOBA, has dominated the competitive gaming scene. With its complex strategy, diverse roster of champions, and a thriving global community, League consistently attracts an astonishing 150 million monthly active players. It's not just a game. It's a global phenomenon. Breaking into our top 5 is the global sensation, Fortnite. What started as a co-op survival game exploded in popularity with its free-to-play Battle Royale mode. Fortnite's unique building mechanics, constant content updates, and massive pop culture crossovers have attracted over 500 million registered players. It's more than a game. It's a social space, a virtual concert venue, and a cultural touchstone. Claiming the number 4 spot is a title that needs no introduction, Super Mario Bros. This 1985 classic not only saved the video game industry but also established one of the most beloved characters in history. While its initial sales were over 40 million on the NES, the Mario franchise as a whole has sold over 800 million games, proving that this plumber's appeal is truly timeless. Our number 3 pick is another giant of the gaming world, Counter-Strike, Global Offensive, or CS:GO. This tactical first-person shooter is the gold standard for competitive FPS games. Renowned for its high skill ceiling and strategic depth, CS:GO has maintained a massive and dedicated player base for over a decade, with tens of millions of active monthly players and a legendary esports circuit. Coming in at number 2, we have the creative powerhouse, Minecraft. This sandbox game gives players the freedom to build anything they can imagine, from simple homes to entire cities. Its appeal crosses all ages and demographics, fostering creativity and collaboration. With over 300 million copies sold and an average of 170 million monthly players, Minecraft is the best-selling video game of all time. And finally, at our number 1 spot, we have Roblox. More than just a game, Roblox is a platform where millions of users create and share their own games and experiences. Its imagination platform model has fostered a massive, young, and incredibly engaged community, with over 70 million daily active users spending billions of hours on the platform. Its sheer scale and user-generated content make it arguably the most popular gaming platform on the planet right now. And that's our list of the top 10 most popular video games. What do you think? Did your favorite make the cut? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more world rankings.